Hi guys, we are ready for another trip. This time we're going for 2 nights, 3 days, and we're going to somewhere close to Perth. I'm taking a friend who has never been on an overnight hike before, so it's gonna be really interesting. So this is gonna be a quick getaway trip. I'm gonna show you her journey. So I'm gonna pick her up in a minute, and what we've done is I've given her my backpack because then she can fit more stuff in and she doesn't have to buy her own backpack at the moment, which is good because it can be super expensive when you're just starting off hiking. So we just wanted to stay within the budget, stuff like that, and she just bought a few little things such as hiking shoes, hiking socks, and just an inflatable mattress. She's using my tent and my sleeping bag because I have the spare, and I'm actually using a little backpack, and I've never really used it for an overnight hike because it's too small. But because I've upgraded a lot of my gear, I can actually use it now. So for me, it's quite a challenge to fit everything in that small backpack, but I did it and I'm so proud of myself, and I can't wait to see how this is going. Hi guys, we made it to Northcliffe, so we're leaving here in about half an hour and we're having some breakfast. It was a 4-hour drive from Perth, and I actually brought a friend with me today, and she's going hiking for the very first time. So let me introduce to you Federica.
I feel so excited about this new adventure. I don't know what to expect. I've never been hiking before. I've never been sleeping in a tent before.
So you never slept in a tent before?
No way, no. So
Oh my
that's
God.
all new.
Okay, all
and
right.
I don't know what to expect, to be honest, but I think it's gonna be good. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun, and I think we're gonna empty our minds and just be having a wonderful time.
Hi guys, and we're back on the trail. Are you excited?
I'm very, very excited.
We're now gonna get started and we're gonna go through this prescribed burnt area first, and then we're gonna make our way 14 kilometers to the first campsite.
Yay!
Woohoo! Whoop whoop! Let's do this! So they've got the mesh in the middle because it tends to be slippery when it rains. Yes, that's correct, Federica. Whoop whoop. Hi guys, we're doing well. Federica is doing extremely well, and we've done about 5 kilometers now. We're heading for our first break. We're gonna look for a really nice spot and have some snacks and stuff, and then we'll talk to you a little bit more. Great day today.
Yeah, all good so far. So that's a bit of an adventure. We've been walking for many kilometers, but we just halfway.
Do you still like it?
I love it. I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
What do you love the most?
The company.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the weather is absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
It's not sunny, not too hot, not too wet. So I think it's spot on.
Do you like the blueberries or the
Oh
berries?
my God, yes. I got on my snack all the way through.
Show
I
me
think
your
I'm gonna
hands.
run it.
Show us your hands.
Oh, red thumb. All the berries that I eat, yes, I'm guilty.
We made it! Woohoo! This one? Oh yeah, it's magnetic. And then you just
If you got lots of when I'm sleeping, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
big one.
That's my bed. I might sleep on these. Probably I should do some exercise before, because I need to play that all.
I thought it was self-inflatable.
No, it's not.
What?
Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Should we take the bus to the hut? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, that was a tiger snake, you know? You think there's someone in there?